Hello friends, and welcome to another video. Hair glossing has gone completely viral. It seems like every other video when I'm scrolling through YouTube shorts is of somebody trying out hair glossing. And it has gone completely viral because of Madison Beer. Madison Beer told everyone, I think like on a TikTok or Instagram video or something, that she gets her shiny hair because she does hair glossing. And as soon as everybody heard that, everyone has been trying hair glossing. I believe hair glossing has been out for a while now and has always been a thing and probably has been used by other celebrities before events to get ultra shiny hair before concerts or filming or any red carpet moments or anything like that. Anyways, I tried hair glossing for a month. So I've used a total of 4 times now. I did it once a week, and here are some of my thoughts on that. But I went on the search for something that is affordable that I could test out and see if I like it for me and for my hair and for my routine and time that I have to put into hair care. So there's lots of different hair glosses to try. The ones that I saw really kind of circling around the internet was Redken and then L'Oreal. L'Oreal has 2. I couldn't find the, I think it was a glycolic acid gloss. Could not find it anywhere. I couldn't find the other L'Oreal one. I actually couldn't find any of these things in store where you could get like all of the components. Sometimes I'd see like they'd have like the shampoo or just the conditioner. Could never find the actual acid, gloss, the acidic glaze. This acidic gloss, it says glaze. So I had to resort to going on to Amazon and purchasing it. Couldn't find the glycolic acid one on Amazon. I could only find this. And this is the L'Oreal Everpure sulfate-free color care system, and it's a 3-step process so you first start off with the conditioner, it's a 3-step process. So you first start out with the shampoo, and this is supposed to intensify shine, pH balance, and the pH balance of your hair is probably fine as long as you're occasionally are using a clarifying shampoo. That's the biggest thing. And you could also do an apple cider vinegar rinse if you're worried about your pH. And that's probably a little bit more affordable than buying this. So coloring and chemical process can alter hair's ideal pH range. And this is supposed to acidic pH shine technology leaves color-treated hair intensely shiny, healthy looking with a glossy finish that lasts. Maybe if I actually colored my hair and had chemically processed hair, would have been a little bit more impressed with the whole glossing. But so that's the shampoo, and then after the shampoo you go in with the actual glaze, and this is the in-shower acidic glaze. And it's cuticle sealing, acidic pH, anti-fade, and UV filter. So maybe you get some UV protection. That might be nice in the summer if you're going out in the sun all day. So your hair will look shiny plus be protected. And then the same thing about the pH technology. And then the 3rd step is the conditioner. I always put this on and then left it on as long as I had time for, just because I heard other people talking about how hair glossing was drying to their hair, which to me, if you have chemically treated hair that's damaged, you're not going to want to do anything that's drying. I did notice that maybe my ends were a little bit more crispier throughout this month. Part of that could be that I wasn't doing the bonding treatments that I normally do to help with my dry ends. I get really dry ends. And I think my ends look a little think they do look a little crustier than when I first started out. I don't know if that's because of this, or is it because I just been using this exclusively and I haven't done any of the bonding treatments. So I will say, I don't think this does anything really for the overall health of my hair. I never noticed like, oh, my hair, looks so much healthier. Didn't really notice that. I did notice that my hair is definitely shiny. I was kind of struggling to figure out, like, does my hair look shiny, like, around my roots, or does it look greasy? I will say my hair has gotten a lot greasier using this, and what I would do is I would use my regular shampoo first, and then I would do the glossing shampoo just to try and get a better clean. And I did have to use a clarifying shampoo like halfway through, so after at the 3 week mark when I went to do it for the third time, I first did wash my hair with a clarifying shampoo just to try to get a better clean, because I do feel like it was really coating my hair and just starting to weigh it down, and it just wasn't feeling the best. I definitely, when I touch my hair, I feel like I can feel like just like a coating. I don't know how to describe it, almost kind of waxy like coating, and that's probably in part what helps with the shine is the coating. But I will say the first time that I did it, and then I did my overnight curls, my curls were amazing after that first night. They looked so nice, they felt so nice. It kind of all went downhill after that, where I just wasn't liking how my hair was feeling other than that first time, which is why I'm personally thinking that I don't think this is going to be a normal part of my hair care routine, and I don't know if it necessarily needs to be a part of anybody else's, normal part of their hair care routine. Just because I don't think it did anything for the overall health of my hair. It just changes the way your hair looks. So if you have an event coming up and you want nice, healthy, shiny hair for that event, I would say then yes, you might enjoy doing glossing or glazing your hair the night before. So then for the event, you have nice, shiny hair. So I can definitely see myself doing that in the future, where I'm taking pictures or doing something, and I want my hair to just be nice and shiny. I'll do it the night before, but I don't think it's going to be a part of my regular hair care routine. It's just going to be as needed, or as wanted, I should say, because it's not really needed. Maybe Redken would be a better brand to do. They are definitely a lot more expensive. This was, for this 3-step process, with $30 off Amazon. Redken is $137 for their 4-step. Ignore my nails. I did my ASMR channel, and I did press on nails, and it popped some of my nail polish off. But Redken was $137 for their 4-care system, and they did have a leave-in treatment that you would apply, after everything, after the shower and all of that, and you could continue to use like even halfway through the week, so you can reapply the leave-in treatment. So I guess they understand that it can be a little drying to your hair. I think that kind of confirms it, that they do have a special leave-in conditioner for hair glossing. If you have $137 and not do anything, just lying around, and you want to try it out, you can. It might be better than the L'Oreal one. I do think it's interesting that their like spokesperson for the advertisements is Sabrina Carpenter. When and it's going on at the same time that there are rumors of her wearing a wig. are going around, and here she is showing the system. I just found it ironic that all this was kind of like going on at the same time. I'm sure when they asked Sabrina to be the spokesperson, that the rumor probably hadn't started yet about her wearing a wig, and I don't think she wears a wig. When she was flipping her hair around to prove to people that she's not wearing a wig, I could see tracks in her hair, so, you know, it is her hair. She's not wearing a whole wig. It's just she bought, you know, half of it and taped it in, or... You like my hair? Gee, thanks. But it's kind of interesting when you have someone that clearly has... They're wearing extensions, and that's a huge part of why their hair looks like the way it looks, and then they're advertising a treatment that is supposed to make your hair like that person's, like that celebrity's, when in reality they're wearing extensions, or maybe they have a weave, or they're going and getting other more expensive like treatments to get the hair texture that they want from a salon. And so you can't always go by what your favorite celebrity is doing and what they're endorsing, because they're probably, yeah, maybe they might actually be using those products, but they're probably also doing more than just that, and they're probably going and getting special treatments for hair growth and special leave-in treatments, keratin treatments, and all of that to give them the hair that they want, and that, you know, can become a part of a celebrity's image, especially for a woman. There's a little a little rant about that, but I would definitely say you don't have to participate in this trend if you don't want to. It's not necessary. Don't feel any pressure to go out and buy hair glossing, because it really didn't seem to do anything for the overall health of my hair, other than it does make it a little shinier, which I think will be nice for events. So you can do it before an event, and that's really all that's necessary. This isn't going to be something that's going to be part of my regular hair care routine. And then when I finally go through all of this stuff, I'll have to do some thinking about it. Maybe then if I have like an event, I'll quickly go out and buy it again for that event. But I don't know if I'm going to be rushing to the store to buying it. I think I'm just going to stick with my, I have a L'Oreal leave-in conditioner, and then I have a bond treatment, so I think I'm going to stick with that stuff from L'Oreal as opposed to the hair glossing. But yeah, here's, like, I just feel like my ends, they look a little dry, they look a little damaged, which is why I can't completely endorse the hair glossing. But I do think if I used it before an event, so I'm doing my regular hair care routine, where I'm doing oils and masks and bond treatments, which is my ends like a lot better, and then I just do this for an event, as opposed to just doing this pretty much exclusively. You know, I wasn't doing any bond treatments because I was worried that it might affect how this performs. So yeah, but I think that would be better for my hair, just to do it as needed and stick with my regular hair care routine, because I think my ends like it a lot better than this. It almost just makes me like want to cut off like all of that. It's not doing well. All right, well, I do have some other hair care videos coming up that I'm pretty excited about. I'm going to be using the dandruff shampoo that's supposed to help with hair loss. Then I also have this keratin mask that I want to try. Maybe that can help with my dry, crispy ends more than the hair glossing. But so stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.